We're flying today from Indianapolis International to Eagle Creek. It is 7 miles away. This is Class Charlie, so we got to do all the dances. Had the plane here for some maintenance. Before flight says it's going to be a 3.5-minute flight. Certainly a lot longer than that on the ground to get out of here. So we're waiting for our clearance, the squawk code, since we're in Class Charlie airspace, and then ground, and then out of here.
My name is Saders, and I'm an IFR-rated private pilot sharing my experiences flying and learning everything aviation.
Cherokee, that 903, 902 Whiskey, maintain VFR to below 3,000. Stay with power for departure and squawk 4555.
Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey, cleared to Eagle Creek 3000. Stay with the tower and squawk 4555. Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey.
Cherokee 902 Whiskey, back to right.
All right. Ground Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey is on the ramp at lift with Alpha, ready for taxi. Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey.
902 Whiskey, where'd you say you were parked at?
We're on the lift ramp in front of Comlex, Cherokee 902 Whiskey.
Air 902 Whiskey, runway 32 at Juliet, taxi via Mike.
Runway 32 at Juliet, taxi via Mike, Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey. Okay, so 32 Juliet via Mike. Is our 270. Should be okay. They're getting us generally on our way to Eagle Creek. Let's go. Here's Juliet at Mike. Those were our instructions. Switch to tower. We got Eagle Creek in there. Decom. At 121, 575. Okay, pre-takeoff, flaps are at 0, prop high, make sure best power.
November 9392 Whiskey, Indy Tower, advising ready.
We'll advise, Cherokee 902 Whiskey. Flap 0, prop high, make sure best power, car beat off, autopilot off, fuel pump on, heato heat, no, it's a 90-degree weather day, so no thank you. Transponder 4555, altitude 3000, GPS set, heading bug is set with the wind, 270. The door, window, landing light strobes, fuel timer, and we're good. So he said advise when ready.
Southwest 1247, contact departure, see it.
South 1247. Okay, and that is pilot off, key both, locked, switches, up, fuel tank, good, prop 0, flap 0, trim for takeoff, door, window, we're talking with tower, and we are good to go. Pressure, good. Tower Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey, ready for departure.
Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey, proceed on course, runway 32 at Juliet, clear for takeoff.
Proceed on course, runway 32 at Juliet, Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey.
Approaching runway 14, 32. Entered runway 1432.
All right, so essentially what they just said there is we are cleared direct to Eagle Creek. Crosswind to the left. We have full power, oil pressure is up. Speed alive. 60. 80. $100. Airport in sight.
Eagle Creek Airpark Airport, Indianapolis, Indiana. Automated weather observation 2142 Zulu. Wind variable at 05. Peak gusts 15. Visibility 1.
All right, so variable gusts.
So 92 Whiskey, Eagle Creek, 12 o'clock and 3 miles, report in sight.
Airport in sight, which is swap VFR.
So 92 Whiskey, rest service terminated, squawk VFR, pre-change approved, talk to you later.
Squawk VFR, Cherokee 93, 92 Whiskey, thanks. All right, and here we are, ready to go. Eagle Creek, Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey is 3 miles to the south, entering a left downwind, runway 21, full stop, Eagle Creek. Oh, we got a drop, or drop going here. There, I got a little high.
Brakes, pedal test. Landing light, on. Autopilot, on. Seatbelt.
Seatbelts locked. Mixture is best power.
Helicopter 290,
RP.
will pass north of here.
3.
Stay out of your pattern.
Fuel pump is on. Fuel on the proper tank. Our airspeed, we're aiming for 100. We are there. The prop can be full and flaps.
As required. Checklist complete.
All right. And the iPad is getting hot just in time. All right. I see a jet taxiing for takeoff on 21. Eagle Creek, Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey, midfield left downwind, runway 21, full stop, Eagle Creek. We're gonna go visual.
Visual Unicom 8250 Victor.
A little slow. Alright, so we know we've got crosswinds and gusts, so we are going to keep it fast, a fast approach. Not that fast though. Going to give myself a little bit more time on final. Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey, turning left base, runway 21, Eagle Creek.
Eagle Creek traffic. Sovereign November 211 Charlie, Charlie departing runway 21, westbound departure, Eagle Creek traffic.
All right, so that's that jet. He's going to be taking off in front of us. Eager to get going. Those jets burn the money. All right, I think we'll be okay. Trim down. Eagle Creek, Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey, turning final, runway 21, departing traffic in sight. Eagle Creek. All right, he's on the roll. Coming in fast. Right crosswind now. Jet is away.
Eagle Creek traffic, Eagle Creek, November 211 Charlie, Charlie, in a right turn heading 270 out of 1200 feet, departing the pattern, Eagle Creek traffic.
Whew. That was a roller coaster a little bit. Those gusty crosswinds. Conditioning. Eagle Creek, Cherokee 903, 902 Whiskey, clear runway 21, taxi to the north hangars. Eagle Creek. All right, that was a nice and quick flight. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you in the next one.